Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
I'm Tasneem. I work as a digital marketing exec at Sennovate.
I am Emily, and I work as a cybersecurity specialist here at Sennovate.
Hi, Emily. So, Emily, tell me what is something that you are hearing a lot these days in the cybersecurity sector?
Yeah, Tasneem, lately everywhere that I go, people are saying about cybersecurity threats and vulnerabilities, and people asking, is their information safe?
Oh, so is there anything organizations can do to safeguard themselves in this digital world?
Yes, absolutely. Implementing a security operations center or SOC can definitely help.
Great. So, why don't we get some expert advice on SOC? So, let's start with the series. So, welcome everyone. Today, we'll be talking about the heart of cyber defense SOC with our CEO Senthil Palaniappan. Hello,
Hello,
Senthil. It's good
Senthil.
to have you here.
Hey Tasneem, hello Emily. Nice to meet you guys. I'm excited to be part of this SOC.
Great. So, let me start by asking you what SOC is and what is all the fuss about it recently.
So SOC, a Security Operations Center, right? That's a terminology that's been used, but in a simple terms, I can tell because these days any enterprise, small or medium or large, doesn't matter. End of the day, they do smaller companies do business with the very large companies. End of the day, that their assets, right, the important digital assets are at compromise. So basically, how do I protect it? So a lot of times, what happens is unless I get hit, we don't understand the vulnerability. That's the biggest challenge. For example, you kind of say that it's going to say that I think there's in America it is a popular as ADT, right? The home monitoring system. People don't think about monitoring system, but they hear a lot like, hey, it's a theft happened in the house, like 10 house from my house, or theft happened, or maybe there's some Amazon the delivery packet's been lost. Those kind of things you keep hearing. Then people think, oh, it is not for me yet. That is what it is, right? All about. That's exactly how do you translate this an example into the enterprise. The enterprise side, the vulnerabilities are happening there, and then the threat, somebody's kind of compromised. You say that, oh, it had compromised on in the insurance segment for one company, or maybe by in the private equity firm, which may be a smaller, like 100 employees, maybe managing like multi-billion-dollar assets. That's been compromised in another entity. It's not for me yet. So that's where I think, we need to build some responsibilities around and then see how do we manage and monitor as a whole. Then one of the police analogy I can bring, right? The cops not just to stop the criminals, but also bring responsibility to the citizens. That's what SOC is all about. Not only you protect from the external threats and also build some responsibilities to the internal employees to make sure that it's a coordinated effort to protect our digital asset, which is core for our business.
Okay. Thank you, Senthil. This was great and very informative. So everyone will be back with our next episode where we'll talk about why is SOC necessary. So stay tuned with us and follow us.